Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these open ear bone conduction headphones. These are the K9 Pros. This features IP68 waterproof design. So basically that means it can withstand like 2 meters of water up to like 12 hours. So that's really cool. All right, here they are right there. So that's looking pretty slick actually. These are actually meant for underwater swimming. So put those on, and these are nice and comfortable. They just go right over the bone here. So if you were to swim and have like a shower cap on, you could put those on too. It's not going to be a problem. These are comfortable. Unlike some like in-ear ones that can be kind of painful after a while, these ones are quite comfortable. I'm going to actually be testing these underwater. So since Bluetooth doesn't go underwater too great, there's a little charging thing. And we have some earplugs if you want them. That's cool. And also, oh, that's cool. So these looks like they plug in, and then you can put them in your ear as well. I haven't seen that before. That's really kind of sweet. It actually gives you the option of doing that if you want to. So I don't want to break it, but it looks like those will just pop on there. So if I just pull these off, maybe. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. So not only are they like either bone conduction or, see if these are right or left. Of course they're right or left. So there's that one there. That's neat. That is really neat, guys. All right, so either you can put in either one and then just plug it back in there right like that. So you could have one bone conduction, and you could also just put one right in your ear there as well. Let's see here. Looks like that'll go just like that. And that's like super small right there. And it's not really like pressing, like some of them like press into your ear, but looks like it has two little speaker things on there. That's really cool. I like the different option there if you want to have it in your ear. And this, as you can see, it's not like pressing in my ear. So some that you put in your ears like feels as like it's like you got to push it in there. You know, tight fit. This shit feels like it's like almost like floating in my ear, if that makes sense. I wonder if it works bone conduction and sound on ETH. Probably does. And this one has a sweet little charger too. I want to show you guys this. It has basically like the magnets there. So you take your charger right there, and that's just gonna plug in the only way it can go on there. The little, just like that. Wow, that's cool. Those are pretty powerful batteries. That's going to hold, or magnets, that's going to hold it right in place, and you can charge it up. Pretty excited to hear the sound on this. It's got a couple buttons here on the side. It's got power and then play and pause. And then this also takes a card. And also with these headphone or the earplugs, if you want bone conduction, and then you can put these in your ears and just kind of tune out the other sounds around you as well. But these are super lightweight, seem fairly sturdy also. I like the split design there, and I'm going to test these out underwater. Let's go test this out underwater though. Okay, that's cool. So it doesn't have the card accessible. Basically, once you plug this into your computer, boom, and then you could just throw the songs right onto the built-in hard drive on here. So that's pretty sweet. I'm going to charge it up, and I show my little charger thing right here. See what it looks like. Okay. Sorry about this. Throw this in here right here. Okay. And that should bring up a little light. Okay, There's a little charging light there on the side. And it's also connected to my computer. I hear it calling up on the computer, the plug and play thing on there. So that's cool. So I could just throw some whatever I want, songs on there, and play those right off of that. So it brings up my autoplay on the USB drive. It shows it as a removable drive. I can just pull it up right on my PC right now and throw some songs on there. So that's really sweet. Yeah, like they appear to be like completely waterproof, no issues there, like with swimming with them on or anything else like that. So just some nice high quality, waterproof, lightweight, and you can have the ability to either use the Bluetooth or the built-in 32 gigabyte card. So just lots of nice benefits to these, great sound quality. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.